Hey everyone, welcome to 2022, and with that we want to share our favorite van build ideas heading into the new year. These are unique solutions from tours that we've previously filmed, so take a look.
Hi, I'm Carly, this is Kyle, this is Hazel, and this is our 2016 Ford Transit. So over here is kind of probably our favorite section of the van. It's our music section, and so we have a nice little cutout for Kyle's guitar. We wanted to make sure that we used all the space of the van, and then this is just a nice little portable speaker, and we made a custom little shelf for it so it sits in there and doesn't roll around when we're driving. So going down here, so we have a U-bench setup, and we've got 3 vents. So all of the vents make sure that there's heating underneath each of the compartments. We just didn't want anything to freeze under there, and make sure that, you know, the temperature is regulated for the batteries and the water and everything like that. So that's why we got the vents.
Next up is a cool way to create storage for those dreaded toe kick cabinets. Take a look.
Hey guys, I'm Frankie.
And I'm Alex.
This is our puppy Paco.
And our van Olive.
And all together, we are F&A Van Life.
Even lower than that is our toe kick storage area. Whoop. So just down under here, we have this great big drawer that actually holds so much food. We can fit tons of cans, pasta, oats, any kind of dry storage stuff. This area is actually amazing and allows us to stay off grid even longer because we can have so much dry pantry goods in our space.
Karen and Kevin purchased their van from a really creative van builder, and he had a really cool solution for the van door.
Hi, my name is Karen.
My name is Kevin.
And this is our Ram Pro Master, Grace. Yeah, so on the other side of the van, in the door, they actually managed to fit like a ton of storage. I don't know how they dreamt this up, but it's wonderful. We can fit more spices in here, as well as like some dried goods, whatever we want. We've got our teas in here, and yeah, some of the other spices we use frequently. They actually put some hooks on the door, which is awesome if you come in with like a wet jacket or something, just to throw that on, can drip onto the mat. And the heater is right here, so it helps dry things out quickly too. And then a whiteboard for our to-do lists and dreams of future places to go, that kind of thing.
Sometimes the best solutions are simple and not complicated, just like this easy fold-out bed.
Hey, I'm Steph, and this is Rita, my Sprinter van. The table here as well, I bought a lagoon system. So the base is here, so I can put the table and basically just sit here, and I have like the table wherever I want to, so it's really comfy to work, which I really like. This is my bed also, so I can show you afterwards. It flipped, so you have like a proper bed. It's almost a double bed with the extension. It comes like to here, so it's amazing when I have like a friend over or something. Underneath the bed I have storage, so this is just like for my tent, camping gears, bags and stuff, so that's really useful as well.
Heating where we live is a must, and most people in their vans use either a diesel or a gas heater. But this little fireplace is a great alternative solution.
My name is Paul, and this is my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. and my custom built slide-in camper. And then the pièce de résistance is the little Dickinson fireplace. You can maybe not see the flame in there, but it's sending out tons of heat right now. So I'm nice and roasty in here. And it's a super basic unit. It's very hard for them to not work. Back here we have the aluminum box with just a lid that lifts off. You just take the screw, it lifts off. There's two 5-pound propane cylinders in there. So this was an experiment to cover up the original chimney so that I can actually run the heating in while driving, and it works good. 5,000 kilometers so far, and never blew the flame out on the stove. So success, I guess.
Bringing pets into van life has its challenges, but Tyler and Jess create a really cool solution to hide away that litter box.
Hi, I'm Tyler Fossey.
And I'm Jessica Fossey, and this is our 1984 Dodge camper van Yogi. Back here in our bedroom area, we have our bed here, which is between a queen and a double. We also have some more storage, which is just winter clothes and some heavier items that we have down here. We also have the other half of our storage here is actually for our cat Shisha. She has a nice little spot down here for her litter box and just a safe area that's all for her own. And yeah, that's been really nice for her to have her own space.
All right, let's check out the back of the van. Come on in here. So we got ample storage for when we want to throw the Rubbermaids in for camping trips and stuff. And then, as Jess was saying, we keep the kitty litter back here. Swing that door open, slide her out. So pretty handy.
That's all the van build ideas we have for you this week. Make sure to subscribe for all your van related content, and we'll see you next week.